Hello everyone, this is Joel Spencer, Magnet Coordinator here at Hall-Steam Magnet High School. Today we are with Mr. Williams and Mr. Luckey, two individuals who are going to be running up our engineering program here at Hall-Steam Magnet next school year. So we're going to start with Mr. Les Williams. So Mr. Williams, kind of tell us what you envision this engineering program or academy to be here at Hall-Steam Magnet.
Well, when you walk into the engineering, Hall of Engineering, right? Mm-hmm. When you walk into here, you're going to be really impressed with how it looks. It's going to be industrial, it's going to be modern. It's going to be what you'd expect to find in the workplace.
Good job.
So when you come in, on one side you'll have all your basic CAD, how to think like an engineer, and how engineers solve problems, and what tools they use. And even that first year, you'll touch everything. You'll touch CAD, the robot army, like 3D printers, cuttings, and we have some neat contests that we do that are really national caliber things. Then that moves into principles. Principles is robotics, electronics, and mechanics. So how to make things move and how to program them so they can do complicated tasks. Mm-hmm. Of course, there's some competitions that we're involved with there that are a lot of fun. And from there, moves on to how do you make anything.
Gotcha.
Computer numerical control, cutting robots, 3D printers, all that stuff that makes your imagination come alive. And from there, you have a lot of choices, but eventually you'll end up taking a project that you conceive at the beginning of the year with the team, and you run that all the way to the end through the whole production and development model and show it to the world in a neat showcase.
That sounds awesome. And another thing that Mr. Williams has stated lots of times, he wants this to be the center of engineering, not only for Arkansas, but for the entire state, where people are going to, from all their state, want to come over here to Hall to be part of our Academy of Engineering. So, Mr. Luckey, tell us some of the things that you're going to look forward to being able to come over here and have this huge building to build your engineering program for.
Yeah, that's a really exciting part of this whole thing. We've been touring this facility and talking about how we're going to change it and the kind of equipment we're going to get to install here. And it's really mind-blowing. I'm super excited about the opportunities we're going to be able to offer students when it comes to engineering career, or even if they wanted to go to a university and get an engineering degree or go right to an apprenticeship or a job right after high school. Hopefully we can have the kind of facility where we're going to teach these kids the skills they need and allow them to use their creativity and all these things they learn here to really be able to make anything, like Mr. Williams said. Mm-hmm. And these are skills that are going to carry with them regardless of what they do in the future.
Good job. So, and one of the focuses that you hear from us in every video is college and or career ready. We want to give those kids the skills, no matter what they decide to do after high school, that they could go down the certain pathway that they want to. Thank you two for joining us today. As you can see, we're in our engineering building right now. It looks bare, but over the next 6 or 8 months, this is going to be transformed into the engineering capital of Little Rock, and we'll give you some updates along the way so that you can see the progress. Also, don't forget that we are very close to our open enrollment time. If you have an 8th grader out there, the Academy of Engineering, this is where they need to come. This is where it's going to happen, only here at Hall-Steam Magnet High School. We want to thank you all for joining us today. Don't forget to check us out on our social media platforms as well as our YouTube channel. See you later, everyone.
Thanks.